I'm going on a trip to Placencia, Belize, and as always, I'm bringing my Sony A6700 with the trusty 18 to 50mm Sigma. I've also made room in my bag for the sizable Sigma 100 to 400 telephoto lens. This is a lens I've loved using to capture sports, but on this trip, I'm taking it into the jungle to give a go at some wildlife photography. Hopefully, I find more animals than just mosquitoes. Thanks for joining, and please enjoy the video.
In a boat. We're on the main part of this river. This main part is called Monk River, only got 10 miles. To go that 10 miles and meet what I call the branch, which is like a Y, where it just support the bank, stop it from washed away. Whenever it rains, this river rise. Right here it popped up level with bank, with a very, very strong current. And each curve or bend hit against the bank side. If there's nothing there to there in the dead branch in the water.
Oh, it's pretty.
No, little blue heron. When they're young, they're white. They almost look like snowy egret or cat egret. You have to look at feet or beak to tell the difference. Even though they're white, they still with that light green legs and that black tip beak. So once you see them, that's a mangrove swallow. That's a mangrove swallow, barn swallow, rock-winged swallow in this area. That's a mangrove. And all these guys are relaxing their joints, they're just standing on one feet. And if you, to me, that probably put more pressure on one feet.
I know. I'm so confused by
Not really.
Sometimes they even mate themselves to death. Locally known as bamboo chicken, that's because guys used to eat them. But now they're protected. Males get like 6 feet with tail. Crocodiles up on the shore with their mouth all open. It's because they're trying to regulate their body temperature. Bump on the back is like a solar panel. So after it picks up that body temperature, it opens its mouth to regulate it. They live up. Now if you get poison tree sapping you, the spot get infected. Take a couple of pieces of this bark from this tree and boiled it. Bath the infected area for like 3 times a day. And that's a cure. They also use the bark from it for entire. It's a parasitic tree. It can't really go on its own, it needs to go on another.
Oh, hold on. He was one guy carrying the whole thing, and then he started to get tired, and then he went and got some friends to help.
These breadfruit trees are not native in the Caribbean. It was brought to the Caribbean in 1793 by Captain Blood. Can I go over some?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Maybe they might go up on us 3 over there and
There's a couple. Actually, that one, they don't.
Yeah, there's 2 of them right here, guys.
Are those younger ones?
those are the younger ones, yeah. The one that went by first, that's probably an adult went by.
You don't like it, I'm going to see that person around.
I glad when I left my type at my hours I left.
Yes.
Yeah. You know that sign I go fall off, you know, I turn back for you. Huh? You got them? Let's just move that way then.
Oh, he's munching.
Oh, did you go wrong that way? Oh, you can come right through here if you want to. Come right through here. Over that way, but remember, we just go for fire.
guys wearing hunting gear?
I found my way back over, but didn't not the same way that I went in. So these guys were there for maybe like an hour standing up.
Oh no!
So when
No power.
Well, there's something moving right there.
the movement's over there, that's the iguana walking around in the trees there.
Oh.
The common slider, freshwater turtle. They get a bit bigger than that. We also have alligator snapping turtles in this river, but they're like way bigger than these guys. Movements are more iguana.
Oh yeah, darker one. That's flag, yeah. Yeah.
Give you a little show.
Yeah, wait. I think that crocodile is still back up in that area. Like all the way in front of us, on the left side, there's a.
That's cool.
Light. Come in here and just keep the lights in their eyes. Cast them around that point there, that nose. Yeah, we got them. Think right up on there. There's like a snare light. With a loop for the.
Why in there? Eyeballs now though.
This guy is over here holding that. The hen is on its own. You can't be so close to the mom or the dad, as well the dad, when they're under a year, because the dad eats them too.
Why?
Yeah, that's why the mom take care of them for like 1 year. Everything free on them. When they just hatch, they're like only, they're only like.
Tongue out.
Did he? Where's his head?
Facing this way.
The head is looking at us.
I don't know, his belly looks full.
That's friend.
Es muy caliente. Yeah, these, there's no breathing in these
There are
types of
two
ants.
males.
Oh.
You could
How
tell
do you know?
the length of the tail.
Yeah.
Same thing with the sea turtles. You could tell by the length of their tail.
Boy, it'd be a slower way of life, wouldn't it?
Yes, it would.
A lot easier.
I would.
nice, right? Oh,
Wow.
oh.
That is pretty cool. What's funny?
But there's a ton.
Oh, he started over.
So what I'm doing now, I'm passing around showing some of my arts and crafts. So I have some beautiful baskets that I bring from my village